Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to reset your Maytag Bravos XL washer to its factory settings. Whether your washer is showing error codes, acting up, or just won't start, this quick guide will get it back to its original state in no time. Let's dive in. Power down. The first step is simple but crucial. Unplug your washer from the wall outlet. Make sure it stays unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This allows any leftover electrical charge to dissipate and clears temporary glitches that could be causing issues. Think of it like giving your washer a quick power nap. Repower. After waiting, plug your washer back in. This step is key because it prepares your machine to enter reset mode. Without this, the reset process might not work correctly. Enter reset mode. Now comes the important part. Press and hold both the start/pause and power buttons at the same time. Keep them pressed for about 10 seconds, then release. You'll notice the lights flashing or random codes appearing. Don't worry, this is completely normal and shows that the washer is entering its reset routine. Wait for completion. Once the reset sequence starts, the washer might flash, beep, or even stay silent for a few minutes. This is totally normal. After the routine finishes, your washer will be restored to its factory settings, ready to work like new. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, your Maytag Bravos XL washer is back to factory settings. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy appliance tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.